First of all,
Thank you
congratulations.
so
We've
much. Thank
seen
you.
the film. Ibang mundo, dinating, speechless talaga ako. Like,
Salamat,
lahat
salamat.
talaga, it
Thank you,
was
thank you, thank
very
you.
smooth talaga.
Salamat.
Was your reaction, yung reception ng mga tao?
We were
Applauded
shocked. We
talaga.
were shocked, yeah. Ang daming umiiyak. During the film, especially in the second half, nakita namin, ang daming talaga. Naglabas na ng mga panyo, umiiyak. And then grabe, ang dami rin nag-cheer, lalo na towards the end. Kaya yun naman ang pinaka-importante sa amin, mga filmmaker, mga storyteller, na umabot yung kwento namin at maintindihan, ma-appreciate ng tao. And tonight is very special kasi naramdaman namin na appreciate talaga ng mga tao. So we're very, very thankful.
Aside from the direct, star-studded din. Like,
Yes.
lahat ng EB and all
Yeah.
that,
Yeah.
talagang sinuportahan talaga.
Yeah, and I think it's because lahat naman sila kasi mga family yan eh. Si Bossing with the EB family and of course the Media Quest family, APT family, everyone was here. And it just made sense kasi yung pelikula, it's really all about
Yeah.
family, di ba? And all the difficulties and the blessings and the tragedies that happen in a family. Ito lang, medyo kakaibang pamilya siya kasi royal
Yes.
family siya. So, pero nakakataba ng puso na yung mga different families namin nandito rin lahat.
Yun na nga, direct, no? Speaking of the movie, TV show siya dapat, series, pero perfect pala siya pelikula.
Yeah.
Nakita namin.
That's what we realized kasi in terms of, I think talaga nabigyan siya ng justice, especially with this kind of cast. You need to see them on the big screen. Siyempre kami, first time din namin nakita ng ganito kalaki.
Yes.
So sabi ko, talagang the story deserved to be told in a big way. And then, tingnan na lang natin where it goes from here, di ba? Kasi nakita naman natin with the ending na
Yes.
marami pa siyang pwedeng
Huwag pang
puntahan. Oo, marami pa
spoil.
siyang pwedeng sanga. Kaya,
Tama.
very, very excited.
Nabigla din kami doon.
Yes!
Ayun, speaking of that movie po, alam niyo na po ba kung ilan yung mga cinemas ng The Kingdom?
No, not yet. Kasi parang alam ko, what we were told is parang everyone is given a certain number, so equal yon. And then as time goes by, lalo na tinitingnan nila yung performance, nadadagdagan o nababawasan each one. So I think yung final number, we won't know until Christmas Day and the day after.
Ano yung pwede mong i-share direct na sana dapat mas marami pang sinihan ang The Kingdom, which is I think naman marami because Big
Yeah.
Soto is Big Soto
Yeah.
and Papa.
Well, sana talaga, kasi syempre yung sa sinehan, we wish that all the films get a fair share of movies. Pero talagang if you want the movies to stay in cinemas, please go out and watch. Yun lang. It's really up to the audience. Kasi kung lumabas sila and they fill up all the showings of all the cinemas, abay, dadami pa yan, di ba? And they have to spread the word talaga. So it's not just, of course, The Kingdom, na syempre, very hopeful kami na lumabas sila for The Kingdom, but try to support all
Exactly.
10 films in the MMFF because
I agree.
we're all in the same industry.
I agree.
Diba? And we're trying to save the industry and really make it grow bigger. Kaya one or two movies being successful, that may be lucky, pero we need to help the whole industry.
Direct na tomorrow is Float.
Yes, the parade.
Kamusta yung preparation?
Okay naman, kaya nga
Number one
ngayon,
tayo.
so medyo, syempre coming from here, lahat masaya. We have to go back to work tomorrow. Medyo mahaba-haba yung parada, mahaba yung ruta. But syempre, very, very excited to see all the fans of the stars, lahat ng mga tatangkilig dun sa pelikula.
Have you seen your float already? The design?
No, we saw the design, yes. Pero it's being mga last minute polishing na lang. Pero it will be ready for tomorrow.
We can't wait. The whole cast is there.
Yes, I believe so. Yeah.
Ayun. Direk, may iba ako, no? Lilihis lang ako ng Direk, yung may mga, syempre naka-work mo na Aldab. Imagine you and me.
Yes.
Parang yung iba, may clamor pa rin na magtambalang dalawa.
Yeah.
Like, syempre, yung Kat Den has been a big impact.
Yes.
And baka yung iba, sana this time naman Main and Alden. What can you say?
It depends on the script, on the concept, di ba? Parang with anything naman ako, every time, kunyari, merong tambalan or merong reunion film or anything like that, it really depends on the concept. Kasi parang I think the best thing to do would be not just for the sake of, pero kung may magandang idea talaga, may magandang kwento, and then that might be worth revisiting.
Pero as yung main direct, possible na bumalik pelikula pa rin siya?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, actually we were just talking about it kasi nga marami kaming mga gustong paglaruan ng mga ideas. Of course, she's very, very happy with EB, but parang medyo from our last conversation, medyo itching na rin siya to get that acting daw. Totoo naman. Ako rin, namimiss ko siyang i-direct.
Isa pa with feeling.
Yes, namimiss ko siya on the big screen. So, stay tuned.
Next year, direct,
Yeah,
no?
sana.
And yung kay, siyempre naka-manage mo rin po si Kisses. And then nag-trending siya
Yes.
na nasa New York siya.
Yes.
Kamusta po siya ngayon?
I haven't gotten in touch with her since nung nagtodo na siya beauty pageant. Parang marami na siyang medyo ginawa noon na medyo separate already from our world, 'di ba? Lalo na yung nag-pageant na siya. So wala, I haven't been able to be in touch with her.
Ano yung direct?
recently.
Personal decision niya talaga na after
Gusto niya talaga mag-pageant eh. Gusto
after
niya
pageantry,
That
medyo
I don't
nailaw
know.
na muna.
That I don't know. Hindi ko na siya nakausap after that.
Kamusta yung contract yung management with AAA nun direct? I mean,
With
natapos
Kisses?
naman.
Yeah. That was long ago. Yeah. So talagang parang meron na siyang decision talaga where her career was
Kasi
going.
nag-trending siya bigla direct na nasa New York daw siya, nasa surf, nasa trend.
Oh, okay. I haven't seen.
Short
Hindi ko
hair,
pa
ganun.
nakikita.
So marami na rin nakamiss sa kanya.
Oo, totoo naman.
Ito direct, nung clamor, anong dati kasi, parang sabi kasi dahil successful Imagine UNB before, tapos action dapat yung gagawin ng Aldab. Tama ba yun? Dapat merong gagawin.
Meron kaming follow-up projects. Actually, ilan yon. One was action.
Okay.
One was syempre mga love story sila. Pero one was action, one was a little bit more fantasy. Ganun. Maraming options nun eh. You know, pero wala, ang hirap itugma nung schedule ng dalawa. Pero hopefully, di ba, when, you know, if there's a chance that comes and everyone loves the concept or the script, why not, di ba?
Kasi direct nag-trending ulit sila. Nagkasama sila nung wedding ni
Sa kasal, I think.
Jose.
Yeah.
So bumuhay ulit.
Yeah,
But anyway,
yeah.
direct, invite everyone. Grabe. iba
Yes,
talaga.
please watch The Kingdom, December 25, we're open. And please enjoy it on the big screen, please. Kasi talagang let's support the industry, support The Kingdom, but try to support all the films. Lahat sila pinaghirapan. All of them are quality films. It's a really good batch, itong MMFF 50. So let's go out there. Let's go out and watch movies.
Thank you, Direk.
Salamat.
Congratulations, man! Walang tapon. Walang tapon. Masaya yan.
Yan ang disenyo sa atin ay pasakit. Humiin ang talahin para makita ang palaki. Manindigan at magaling. Bumoses at manalig. Ang pagiging ignorante ay di lang ang pangalan sa pagtangin. Mamumuhay din sa makandete. Suluba mag-imbiti mabalit ang magkapake. Kung naghanap pagkasamaan, bakit natatabi? Umangon ka sa pwesto mo at maningakampi ng ustisya.